Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the nearest suitable aircraft and prepping your approach. Pick a light plane for simple theft or a military base for high reward but higher risk. Once chosen, park a fast getaway vehicle nearby and set time to low traffic to reduce interference. Make a manual save so you can reload if things go wrong. This prevents mission loops. Move now toward the airfield, stick to cover, and avoid police attention until you reach the runway. You get in by combining stealth and quick decisions. Neutralize guards quietly or time your run between patrol patterns. If alarms trigger, break line of sight and use side streets to lose any wanted level. This matters because a wanted plane attempt brings NPC reinforcements. Once on the tarmac, sprint to the plane, enter the cockpit, and follow the startup prompts. Hold the engine key and monitor RPM. Make sure controls feel responsive. Practice taxiing before attempting takeoff to avoid ground loops. You complete the job by executing a controlled takeoff and a clean escape. Throttle up smoothly, keep wings level, and gently pull back once lift is achieved. Abrupt inputs stall light planes. After liftoff, retract gear and climb to a few hundred feet to clear obstacles, then turn toward a predetermined low-traffic zone. If enemies follow, dive under cloud cover or hug terrain to shake choppers. Troubleshooting tip. If plane stalls near ground, cut throttle. Lower nose to regain airspeed, then re-attempt climb.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.